Welcome to the Advaning Luxury Series Retractable Awning. In this video, we'll guide through the general installation and operation of a motorized awning so you can enjoy years of reliable shade and comfort. Is your backyard, patio, or deck too hot to enjoy during the day? An awning can transform your outdoor space into a cooler, more comfortable extension of your home, while also protecting your furniture and reducing energy costs. Today, we'll show you how an awning is installed and why it's one of the smartest upgrades for outdoor living. Before beginning, please review all safety instructions carefully and follow the installation instructions outlined in the owner's manual. Keeping these precautions in mind will ensure a safe and smooth installation. Start by ensuring all parts are present and accounted for. Installation requires mounting brackets, lag or expansion bolts, a drill, level, and the awning assembly. The first step is measuring the installation area. Installers check the width of wall or mounting surface, mounting height recommendation of 8 to 10 feet above the ground, and structural integrity to ensure the awning fits securely and operates properly. Locate and mark the studs or structural supports, and use a chalk line or laser level to ensure your markings are level and straight. The mounting brackets are attached directly into wall studs or structural framing, never into hollow surfaces or siding alone. This is key to a proper and safe operation and ensures the support needed to handle wind and daily operation. Once the brackets are secure, the awning is simply lifted into position, guided onto the brackets, and secured with retaining bolts. Secure the bolts tightly with washers and nuts using a wrench or socket wrench. In most cases, installation can be completed in an hour or two. Next, connect the power cord to a GFI-rated outdoor outlet. The included remote controls the opening and closing of the awning. In the event of a power outage or remote malfunction, the Luxury Series includes a manual override. Simply insert the provided hand crank into the manual gear loop located on the left side of the awning. Turn the crank to open and close the awning as needed. Advaning Luxury Series Awning helps protect you and your family with an 80+ UV block and protects your outdoors from excess heat with a cool and comfortable shade. Your outdoor seating, grills, and decor will also be protected and show less sun fading and wear. An Advaning awning adds style and value to a home. Crafted with durable, weather-resistant materials, 10-year fade-resistant designer fabric options to complement any home, Advaning gives you the freedom to enjoy your outdoor spaces. Create shade when you want it, comfort when you need it, and memories that last. With proper installation, operation, and care, the Advaning Luxury Series Retractable Awning will provide lasting shade and comfort for years to come. With Advaning, the best seat in the house is sure to be outside. For more information, visit us at advaning.com.